AMP is proud to introduce our line of landscape lighting tools and time savers, designed to enhance your efficiency and bring your vision to life. We understand the importance of creating memorable landscapes, and that's why we've developed innovative hubs, versatile mounts, and a range of time-saving tools that simplify your job and empower you to create truly unforgettable outdoor experiences. Our cutting-edge hubs make connecting multiple lights to a single transformer incredibly simple. With our hub, setup and troubleshooting become a breeze, allowing you to save valuable time and effort. Each hub boasts the capacity for 8 connections, meaning that you can connect up to 7 fixtures to a single hub. Our versatile mounts are designed to cater to every scenario, ensuring that light reaches wherever it's needed. Whether you're looking to illuminate a tree or searching for a stake suitable for challenging, rocky landscapes, our comprehensive range of mounts has you covered. No matter the terrain or location, our mounts provide you the flexibility and adaptability to achieve the perfect lighting setup every time. But it doesn't stop there. We understand the installation process can be tedious and time-consuming. That's why we've developed a range of additional time-saving tools to streamline your workflow. Our flexible conduit is a must-have, allowing you to effortlessly route and protect your wiring in any environment. Say goodbye to tangled and messy wires. Our wire clips keep everything neat and organized. And when it comes to drilling holes for your fixtures, our auger bit ensures quick and precise installations, reducing the overall installation time and effort required. Investing in our professional range of landscape lighting tools will save you valuable time, eliminate unnecessary hassles, and elevate the quality of your work. We believe that your success starts with the right tools, and that's exactly what we offer. Don't let mundane tasks hold you back. Choose our innovative solutions to simplify your job and unlock your creative potential.